Hello everyone, my name is Derek, Victor Alpha 4, Alpha Foxtrot Kilo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the iOS XE code on a Cisco 3850 series switch that is not in a stack from 16.x.x to 16.x.y. First thing we need to do before we proceed is verify that we actually have space on the switch to copy our file over. To do this, we are going to request platform software package clean switch all file flash. Once the cleanup has run through, you will be prompted for the unused packages that can be deleted. We're going to proceed. Next, we need to copy the bin file to the active member. In this example, I'm going to use the USB thumb drive directly plugged into the switch. So we're going to upgrade from 16.3.3 to 16.3.6. Once the file has been copied over, since we're upgrading from 16.3.3 to 16.3.6, I'm going to regenerate the RSA crypto key. I believe it might only apply if you're upgrading from a 3.x to a 16.3.5 or higher version, as in the release notes of 16.3.5 it mentions that if you don't regenerate the crypto key, one of the commands is missing. And when you do the upgrade, you won't be able to SSH into the box unless you run this. So for the sake of safety, we're going to regenerate it anyway by entering crypto key generate. And it's an RSA key, which is a general key with a modulus of 1024. Once that's complete, we're now going to perform the actual upgrade process. To do this, we're going to request platform software package install switch all file flash. This is where we specify the bin file that we copied over earlier. We're going to create a new packages.conf file as part of the upgrade, and auto copy. I believe auto copy only matters if you're in a stack, but I'm entering it anyway just to be sure. And then press enter. Alright, once the install process is complete, you are returned to the command prompt. Before we reload the switch, we're going to make sure we save the configuration. If you see this message, that means you're upgrading from probably an older version such as 3.x.x to 16.x.x. It needs to rewrite the configuration file into the new format, so we're going to go ahead and press enter. Once the configuration is saved, we're going to reload the switch. Don't be surprised if during the reload process it takes anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes before it comes back online, as there is usually microcode updates that need to be done. So I will fast forward through that process for you. Alright, now that the boot up process has completed, we log back into the switch. Verify that we are indeed running the new version of code. And as we can see here, our 3850 is running version 16.3.6 in the install mode.